How to change the background of a photo on iPhone. To change the background of a photo on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Photos on your iPhone. From here, open any photo. Then, long tap on the object to outline it in the photo. Now, select the Share option from the pop-up. After that, you need to select the Save Image option from the menu. Then, swipe to the recently saved image on your iPhone. Here, you can see the background has been totally removed. Minimize the application and open Safari. Then, go to this remove.bg website. Now, tap on Upload Image. A menu will appear on your screen. Select the Photo Library option from the menu. Then, upload this image. Now, the background has been removed automatically. You can make further changes to it by using the tools here. Choose a background from here. Then, tap on the cross icon to save the changes. After that, tap on the download icon. Then, tap on the preview option from the menu. After that, scroll down to the Save Images option and tap on it. Now, to view the downloaded photo, minimize the application and open Photos on your iPhone. There you go, you have successfully changed the background of a photo on your iPhone.